Previously on.
It's given we got catfish. To the beach. We're just gonna walk there because it's a 12-minute walk. We're at the beach.
We didn't bring any chairs, dude.
No. Y'all, we got matching hats. Low key. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And now I want to sit back and relax and enjoy my evening. When all of a sudden I hear this agitating, grating voice.
Dark as hell. Should we start heading back? We'll be alright.
A few moments later.
Got rained out. It ran us away.
I think we're going straight.
We're going straight. So we was at the beach for a cool little time.
Yeah. It was cute while we had it.
Good sun, good pics.
Real sunny, real warm. Yeah, good pics, good vibe.
Now we're gonna get some grub.
Now it's pouring down.
Youngins are hungry.
And we're gonna change and do something to eat.
I love food, oh yes, I do. Oh yeah, pizza, pies, barbecue.
Sorry, I almost threw you out. After a slight detour to eat, we're now continuing our walk back to the Airbnb. Hello, everyone. What?
My experience here so far has been a pretty good one. You know, the water shut off when I was taking a shower. So
What did he say?
that's
That's actually really pretty.
the water kind of shut off while I was taking a shower yesterday.
I'm so dead.
So you know, couldn't really do anything about that.
That's only happened to you.
Yeah, you know what I
I
mean.
ain't gonna lie, my shit got cold today. I was ready to turn that motherfucker
Yeah,
off.
nah, bro, it got cold for real. The nightlife is probably one of the wildest nightlifes I've ever seen in my life.
Definitely.
You know what I'm saying? Like at this point, shoot, these people dance with animals. So it's like,
That is true.
you know what I'm saying?
They got parrots and monkeys
Exactly.
and snakes
They got the
Little mouse thingy.
and mice.
mice, they got a snake.
It looks like a sugar. Whatever that.
So, you know, it was really cool.
Yeah, you look great.
Hey man, hey man, spit game, brother. You got it, brother.
You too.
So yeah, you know, it's been I gotta hold this for me to talk. It's been great, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got his robe.
Does it look good for the date?
Oh yeah, he got that shit on.
Yeah, no, he got it on. But yeah.
Yeah, I don't like the shoes, but I feel like it's
shoes don't really
Yeah, I feel like yeah, shoes don't
The
really
top was cool.
Yeah.
Shout out to him. I gotta hold the camera, baby, so I can
You
talk.
have hold the camera.
So yeah.
Are you getting in?
Y'all ready? Y'all taking the picture? Alright, it's literally right here. I don't even know, we gonna all fit
Should we
in
back
this
up a
one,
little
right?
bit?
We got Chris.
Oh, yeah.
That looks weird though.
It did.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta eat now.
Yeah, we block it, we block it.
I'm sorry. Sorry. You can't see him. We look good. Do you want to wait right here or outside?
We go outside. I feel like we in the way.
Yeah, let's go outside. Go ahead, go ahead.
They look upset.
Some of their best works are songs that aren't that exactly, you know what I'm saying? So I
Okay, well, let me send you 5 of my favorite from him.
Okay.
And then you can judge him. He just believe TikTok. Yep. Just like drinking bleach, we should not do that when you have COVID. Or to avoid COVID.
It's like, let me just come.
did it.
To not get COVID.
That's the arcade.
Yeah.
That might be the way to go. It's raining. It's a big old jellyfish.
5 at what's it called? Verno Terbre. We got Ciera Walker going up against. Oh, Maya scored. Yeah. She's going back and forth. Okay. 2-0. Oh my God. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah. 3-0. 3-0. What you gotta say? Hey, hey. Help me. Help me. Is that 1-3? Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing.
I'm on the board.
She's on the board. Four one. 4-1. Hey, I got next. Oh my God. Huh? Say Lex.
I know, but that was close.
5-1. Hey, hey. 2-5. Oh, 2-5. I said 5-1. My bad. Scores 2-5. Maya's way. All right. Okay, okay. Coming back like the Rapture. Let's go. Four, five. Oh my God. Four, 6. I think that's game, bruh. I know you feel your knees in your back. I'm sorry.
And this is y'all sober. Y'all look crazy.
Next time on
We are La Isla.
La Isla Beach Day Part 2.